How to use LightCut's AI-powered editing features. First of all, open the app on your device and tap on the One-Tap Edit button from the home page. This feature automatically analyzes your clips, trim unnecessary parts, add music, and applies smart edits based on the content. Select more than 5 clips or images and your video will be ready almost instantly. You can also select Inspire Cam to add pre-made AI-inspired effects, filters and transitions, giving your video a professional and cinematic look. Explore additional templates and styles under the template and explore sections at the bottom, which provide ready-made edits and inspiration for your project. Preview your video to see the AI-generated edits in action, make any minor adjustments if needed, and then export your final video. Using these AI-powered features in LightCut allows you to produce high-quality videos quickly and efficiently without spending hours on manual edits. Now you know how to use LightCut's AI-powered editing features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.